How to know if this guy wants something serious with you? Ladies, it's simple. You just have to ask him the question. Do you want something serious with me? Of course, it's not what you need to do. No, this was a joke, ladies, because every time you go to talk to this guy, every time you want to ask him a question, you're assuming that it will respond in your best interest, which is not the case. Let's imagine a guy. You are at a bar, restaurant. A guy comes to you and he says, look, I want to be with you. I want to be in a relationship with you. You never talk to him. You don't even know his name. And he asks you, what should I do? Will you really respond to this guy? Or you will tell yourself, wow, he needs to improve his game. He needs to improve his attraction because I don't like this. It is the same thing with a guy. When you want something serious and you want to know if he's looking for something serious, never ask him the question. You're showing your intentions. You're becoming a little bit needy or available. And the worst situation is that you give him the control. So he will tell you, I don't know. And then what's next? You are under his control. You will believe that you can make him change. You will believe that you can be in a relationship because you are amazing and there is a strong connection between the two of you. The problem is, this guy is in control. Even if there is a strong connection, he knows your intention. And most of the time, he will take advantage of you. So I'm not saying every man are manipulating you. I'm not saying every man are narcissists, but I'm just telling you, if you want to know if he wants a relationship, don't ask him because you're giving him the control. So I have 5 tips that I want to share with you, 5 actions that will make you regain his attention, make him want to be something serious with you without begging, without asking, without being so available. And this is exactly what you need right now. And of course, I will keep the last and the best action. So you have to watch this video. You can always comment. You can hit the like button and subscribe. But watch this video because my tip number 5 is what have helped so many women, making a guy commit the relationship without even realizing it. So if you want something serious with him, we need to change the dynamic. Okay? So, step number 1. If you want to know if this guy is someone you can trust, I talk about it because it is very important to lay the right foundation. Consistency. Because I have seen so many guys that will tell you, I love you. I want to be with you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. And then you don't hear from them. 2 weeks goes by and this guy is missing. If there is not a perfect match between his actions and his words, I can guarantee you there is something off. This guy is not looking for something serious. He's just looking for taking advantage of you. So this will be tip number 1. Look at his words. Look at his actions. Do you see consistency? Because that's when you can make sure that he's not thinking about manipulating you. He's not thinking about having control over you. He's not thinking about, let me get what I want from her and then disappear. So this will be my tip number 1. Tip number 2, I've realized something that will blow your mind because it's actually the opposite of what everyone will tell you. Are you ready for this, ladies? If you want to know if you can trust a guy, all the manipulators, they will sell you the long term. I want to get married. I want to have kids. I want to travel the world with you. If they are fixing long-term goals, you can't really trust them. But if this guy is fixing short-term goals, hey, 2 weeks from now, there is my graduation. I want you to come. 2 weeks from now, there is this concert. I want to go with you. When there is short-term goals, short-term actions, it shows that they really want to be with you. They really want to spend time with you. But all the manipulators, they will use the long term to make you believe that they are amazing. They will, of course, tell you everything you want to hear. but at the end of the day, they are not really providing on the short term. Look at your past experiences, look at your best friends, and you will realize that this is the craziest advice that you will hear. Because if you focus on the short term, you know you can trust this guy. Tip number 3. What is important for us is to focus on a guy that knows what he wants. If you come and you tell me, Alex, how can I know if he's looking for something serious? He's never uncertain. If he tells you, look, I want to spend time with you, I want to do this, I want to do that, you can trust him 100%. But if he says, I'm not sure I want to be in a relationship, I don't know what I want, I don't really understand my feelings, all of those bullshit, pardon my French, all of those bullshit that are making you in an uncomfortable situation where you don't know, is it yes, is it no? It's never black or white, it's always gray with people that we can trust. So I want you right now to do a little step back like I did, a little step back and look at the situation. Is he certain? Does he show like certainty about our relationship? Is he showing me that I can trust his decision? Is he showing me that he knows what he wants? If it's not the case, then he's not looking for something serious right now. This will lead me to my tip number 4. All the guys that want something serious, they will also open their world. They will talk about their friends, their family, but they will also invite you to some social event. If you are with a guy that will never talk about his mom, never talk about his friend, that will not tell you where he works, that means that he doesn't trust you. That also means to me that he's not serious. He's trying to compartment his life. So you're in a box. There is box family, there is box friend, there is box work, and there is box the girl that I'm seeing on the side. No, that's not you. That's not me. That's not us. Okay? Tip number 5. He's calm. All the men that are manipulating you, all the men that are just here for sex friend, casual relationship, they are always exciting. Oh, they talk fast. It's amazing. Life is beautiful. Woo, woo, woo. But they are never calm. If you want to know if you can trust him, if you want to know if he's looking for something serious, there is a time where you can talk. You can have very profound communication. You can have deep topic. Because at this moment, we know that he's not just here for the excitement. Because the excitement is amazing. Wow, great connection, amazing chemistry. The intimacy is over the roof. But that's not how we build a relationship. Because unfortunately, those emotions, there is a moment where they go down. Something happens in the life, difficult personal situation, burnout at work, etc. You need to make sure that you can rely on this guy. So, remember, if he's only in the excitement part, you cannot trust him yet. I'm not saying like he's a narcissist, you need to leave him alone. No. I'm just sharing. We want him to also be calm, to make sure that you can trust him, or that he earned your trust, which is the best. Okay? I know you have like so many questions about those situations. Leave a comment. Tell me a little bit more about your dynamic. Let me be your coach. Let me be assisting you. Okay? If you want to go, I will say a little bit deeper, further, you can book a private coaching with me. The link is in the description box below. You will find also some private gifts that are only for my members, for my community. Those videos are private. Those gifts are private. You just have to enter your email. So it's free. That's the good news. You can have access to all of those. And you can start changing your mind. Because you will find an ebook, you will find some text message to send to a guy to be a challenge. Of course, you will find some videos on how to reprogram your mind and be making sure that this guy will see you and put you on a pedestal. Okay, ladies? So I will see you very soon for a new video. Stay strong, because right now you will know exactly if you can trust him. I will see you soon, ladies. Take good care.